And a fresh controversy erupted between the BJP and the Congress over alleged incorrect depiction of the map of India displayed by the Grand Old Party to commemorate the centenary of the 1924 Congress session in Karnataka's Belagavi. Here's a report.
From a scuffle in the parliament with Rahul Gandhi allegedly shoving MPs to a distorted India map row at Belagavi CWC meet, the Congress-BJP showdown goes from north to south. This image of a poster with a map of India that depicts POK as part of Pakistan, shared by the BJP, kicked off a fresh slugfest. Karnataka BJP took to X, formerly known as Twitter, accusing Congress of disrespecting India's sovereignty and indulging in vote bank politics.
हम सीधे कांग्रेस से पूछना चाहते हैं कि ये लगातार भारत के हिस्सों को काट कर दिखाना, ये किसके इशारे पर हो रहा है? क्या कोई सोरस सीक्रेट सर्विस से सिग्नल आ रहा है, या फिर कोई आपको लगातार अन्य भारत विरोधी शक्ति जिनसे कि आप अक्सर सुरताल मिलाते हैं, वो 7 समुंदर पार से आपको कोई संकेत दे रही है? क्योंकि यहां पर विषय एक बार का नहीं है, यह विषय बारंबार का है।
वो मैप असली है क्या, किसने डाला है, ये समझना है। कांग्रेस का जो मैप लगा है वो आप सारे देखिए। जो इस तरीके का सोच लोगे, आज इस ऐतिहासिक कार्यक्रम को डिस्टर्ब करने के लिए इस तरीके का काम इन लोग ने किया है।
Acknowledging the error, Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar clarified that the poster has been removed.
There is no controversy. Some of the leaders, by not knowing, might have made some mistake. We have already directed them. We are removing everything. Everything is perfect.
The Congress CWC is meeting in Belagavi to commemorate the historic plenary session that Mahatma Gandhi presided over as the party president in 1924. From spinning the charkha to invoking Ambedkar, Congress added fuel to its Save Constitution pitch that critics say paid dividends in the 2024 polls. Mallikarjun Kharge, the Congress president, in his address vowed to fight for the Nehru-Gandhi ideology and the honor of Baba Saheb Ambedkar. He accused the BJP of capturing all constitutional institutions like the Election Commission. They say history always comes a full circle. In 1924, the plenary session was one of introspection and planning. A century later, the Congress hopes to emerge rejuvenated and stronger after the Belagavi meet. NDTV Bureau Report.